and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shavonne, and I would love it if you went ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you don't miss out any of my crazy wild story times or my makeup tutorials. So today, today we have my fiance's son, his oldest son. He's gonna be doing my makeup. He's a semi-professional.
Yes. I've been in the field for many years. Many years.
Since
I was a baby.
Since he was born, he's been in this field. So he's gonna do my makeup today.
At the size of a fetus.
Also behind us, this is Marshall.
No, you guys can't sit down.
We already get out. We already saw you, Marshall.
I know.
So
I know. I just wanted the viewers to find out that I was here.
Just wait. Just wait.
Okay, then fine. Wave. You ruined my shot.
I'm sorry. My bad. So that was Marshall.
Because you ruined everything. You must edit them out now. You gotta edit everything out.
So that was Marshall, and he's back. Look, he keeps walking by. He wants to be in this video. Don't let him lie to you. Don't let him lie to you. So this is Marshall, and this is Cole, and Cole will be doing my makeup. Cole is 11 years old, and Marshall is 9, and we're doing marshmallows and makeup. We're eating marshmallows, and he's doing my makeup. So Cole,
did I tell you about how I'm a professional?
Oh yeah, we can
you
tell
are.
that
Yeah, I'm a professional. This is why they call it eyeshadow.
Because you tape it to your eyes? Is that the reason why?
That's why they call it so.
Okay, so now. So Cole, what type of makeup?
Did I tell you about how I'm a professional?
Yeah, you told me.
Did you know that
you're a blind professional?
Yes.
Is that
I think
well, yeah, like what type of look are you going for? Are you going for like a smoky eye,
have I ever told
evening runway makeup?
So one day before
Lord,
Kanye's
long tutorial.
So one day before Kanye West's show, I was doing his makeup, and he said,
"Oh, you did makeup
really
for Kanye?"
Good. Yeah, he said, "Wow, you're a really good." Shut up!
Cole.
He said, "You're a really good makeup artist." And then I said, yeah, I'm the best of the best. I'm better than all of these guys.
You are.
And then I badmouthed all of the other people in there and flipped Kanye off and left.
Totally.
Okay, so what beautiful eyeshadow tutorial?
Oh yeah, that also reminds me of that one time, okay? So we just...
Hold on, I'm eating a marshmallow.
You're on a diet.
I'm on a marshmallow.
On a diet.
These are diet marshmallows, okay?
Anyway, let's start the tutorial. Shut your face.
Yeah, you gotta tell me. Are we doing a smoky eye? What's the vibe? Like, is it like a daytime, everyday look? Is it like a nighttime smoky eye? Like, what are you going for?
Speak English, please.
I know you're like a professional, so you gonna do like dark makeup or like natural?
I can't even tell what you're saying.
I thought you were a professional, Cole.
Could you speak the same language as me?
Marshall,
please?
did he not say he was a professional?
The same language as me.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. Well, just be creative.
First, we're gonna start off with this, okay? We're gonna get these contact lenses off.
They're contact lenses.
So
you still got the tape.
Okay, so first things first, we're gonna start off with this thing. The beauty glazed, whatever that thing says.
I don't even know.
It's weird. And we're also going to be using the color red.
Oh no! So we're not gonna do foundation or nothing. We're just going straight to eyeshadow.
English? Do you
Wow, wait, that's a lot. That's a lot.
English? Do you speak?
Do you tap your brushes, sir? I know you're a professional. That's a lot. Oh my God.
This
okay.
is what professionals
I'm scared. I'm so scared. That is a lot. That is a lot. Like I saw him picking that up, and I was like, oh my God.
I'm a professional.
Like I got dotted in the eye.
Okay. So
it's beautiful.
Now we're just gonna go to this side.
Oh wow.
And then we're gonna just, you know, kind of.
I'm gonna relax. Why are you being so rough?
Why are you
like-
moving so much?
I'm trying
You're
hard
moving
not
so
to.
much.
Listen,
You're
you and
moving
your
so much.
father have that harsh grip to the brush.
I have no idea who you are talking about.
Your father, yes, that did.
Who
like,
is my father?
the one who did
Who's my father? What?
James?
So now we're gonna be using a zir. If
Oh,
you don't
no.
know- so we're using a zir. So this is blue right here. This is a zir. The blue that we're gonna be using. So
That's the next color he's gonna
Oh, I just
mess my
know.
eyelids up with.
I don't. Shut up. Stop it.
You told me to shut up. That's so disrespectful. You better apologize.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Wait,
you
that
better
was a
be.
little too
You're
I
good.
okay.
Okay.
That part out. Actually.
Okay, yeah.
I did a lot
So
of
you're
this out.
you're
okay?
dabbing the brush up.
And so we're just gonna,
You
know,
gotta
kinda,
tell where you're gonna put it to. I'm gonna eat
we're
a
gonna put it
marshmallow because
right-
I'm stressed.
No, stop it! You're gonna ruin
Okay.
everything. Okay, so we're just gonna put that
Wow.
right about there. Okay. You.
Okay,
are,
so what's
you are
the?
moving a lot, huh?
I'm just chewing this marshmallow.
See, this is
So-
what professionals do. Okay. This
So
is-
what is the? Wow.
I'm way more professional than you because of my way more professional.
What's the look? What is your inspiration? What is your look? Wow, that's a lot
So
of
I've
eyeshadow.
been-
You're not
I've been
tapping it
watch-
off.
So what I've been doing is I've been watching a lot of documentaries.
A lot
about,
of nothing.
about what was his name? I forgot.
About how to make someone look like a freaking WWF wrestler. That's a lot of eyeshadow, Cole.
I have no idea what you are talking about.
Wow.
Anyway, this is the eyeshadow that
a
we're gonna
lot.
be using.
It's a lot.
Shut up.
You are.
Hey, I'll
you already did this eye. You're working on this.
No. We just gotta add a little bit more eyeshadow. So my inspiration for this is
Jack
I've been-
Shavonne
no,
up. That's
I
your
like-
inspiration.
I like watching a lot of movies about It the Clown. So
I hate clowns.
I really
they
couldn't care
terrify
less.
me.
why don't you tell us some stories? Your stories
Really?
bore me anyway. Anyway, now she looks like a clown.
Why are you and your
so-
dad like this with me? I'm like, oh my god.
She's abusing me.
I'm like,
Please help! Send help!
Eat a
Kids.
marshmallow. You'll be okay. Eat the marshmallow. Eat the marshmallow. You'll be okay. Go power.
Rangers! Okay, so this is another thing that we're gonna be using.
Oh, so we ain't doing no
it's
eyeliner.
called
Thank you,
Sky
Jesus. Thank
High.
you.
Okay, so how do I use? Never mind.
I'm
I
scared.
think I already know how to use this. So what we're gonna do is
No, please don't poke me in my eye, please.
So
That's going on eyelashes. What?
all right, so we're just gonna.
Did you see how your brother wiped it on my cheek?
I'm just trying to write subscribe on there.
Listen, sir, that's supposed to go on my lashes, not
I have
my
no
forehead.
idea what you're talking about.
Oh my God, I'm so scared.
Oh,
Ow!
she's okay. Okay.
Okay. What the heck? What?
Here, I'm applying it to your eyelashes.
Why you
okay?
beat me with the?
Ah, you spit on me.
Good. Give me the lash. Give it to me.
No. Stop it.
What the heck are you doing to me? Okay, I think we're almost
So-
done. I don't want you to do my eyebrows. I'm scared.
All right, so now we're gonna be using this color pencil that I found on the street. It was next to a sewer drain.
You're using a colored pencil you found on the streets
Next to a sewer drain, yes.
next to a sewer drain to do my eyebrows.
Yeah, it was just.
Oh my God! Why are you so hard? Like, listen, you've been
Listen,
looking.
I'm an artiste, okay?
You
I know
don't
how
use
to
the
use
whole
the color
pencil on one eye.
I know how to use the color pencil. I know how to use the color brown.
Oh my God!
The color brown is my
Do I have eyebrows? Oh my God!
No, you don't. You don't have eyebrows.
Wow.
That's why I need to draw them on.
That's so beautiful.
See, everybody, I'm a miracle worker. If you want to hire me,
A miracle worker.
all right, here.
Like,
Ouch! That's sharp. Like,
Oh shoot!
you don't use the pen. You don't
once
cut
this
it.
a tutorial to make
know if I want him to put lashes on me or not.
What do I use this for?
No, we don't need that. You don't went past all that. All we need to do is put lashes on me.
No.
You didn't do the other makeup.
Listen, this is what artists do. I am a professional at this.
Lord help me.
I know how to do this.
Call the police.
Get off!
I'm being attacked by children.
I cannot work in these conditions. I cannot work like this.
He's French.
I cannot work like this in these conditions.
Okay, so I feel like I don't need lashes.
So next things next, everybody. We're gonna be using this marshmallow.
No, we're not. We're not putting marshmallows on the face.
Yes, we are.
No, on your face.
This is just a part of my genius, okay?
Bam, brick wall.
This is a part of it.
We are not putting marshmallows on my face.
You want this video to get views? You said makeup and marshmallows! I cannot work like this.
We are not doing tape, one. And
We're just gonna put on.
Oh, so you think it's a game, huh? It's a game, Marshall.
Yeah, I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
Game. He think it's a game. He thinks it's a game. We gonna put scotch tape. We're doing scotch. We're doing. Oh my God! Look at your hair.
Now your turn. That's your turn.
No, wait. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe.
We're gonna be using ice snow.
Anybody want a child? He's free.
Ice snow.
He's free. Cole, he's free.
We're gonna be using ice snow. Guys. We're gonna be using ice snow.
Cole!
We're gonna use ice snow.
Help! I'm being attacked by children. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We appreciate y'all's views. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you won't miss out any of my wild and crazy story times or my makeup tutorials. Also, look down below in the description box and it will have the links to all the makeup used in order to create this gorgeous look. This gorgeous look from Cole. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of my any of my makeup tutorials or my wild and crazy story time. And I will see y'all guys next time. Bye.